Hi, I am Tanita Bailey, President and CEO of Capital City Construction. Over the years, I've worked with countless entrepreneurs, contractors, and real estate professionals who dream of building a successful business, but often feel stuck when it comes to scaling to the next level. If this sounds like you, I have incredible news. Starting January 2025, we're launching our brand new $0 to $5 million mentorship program. This is your opportunity to transform your career and unlock your full potential. Whether you're a contractor, renovation specialist, or small business owner, this 8-week mentorship program is designed to give you the tools, strategies, and confidence to take your business to $5 million in revenue. Here's what you'll gain by joining the program: proven growth strategies. Learn how to dominate your market, streamline operations, and attract high-paying clients. Sales and marketing expertise. We'll teach you how to create powerful marketing campaigns and close more deals than ever before. Financial mastery. Get insider tips on funding and maximizing your profits. Networking opportunities. Connect with like-minded professionals and industry experts who are as driven as you are. And most importantly, you'll leave with a step-by-step playbook to grow your business to $5 million and beyond. If it's now or never for you, let's make 2025 your year to level up. Enrollment for the $0 to $5 million mentorship program is now open, but space is limited. Don't wait. Secure your spot today and start your journey to success. Visit our website at 0to5million.com or click the link below to learn more and register now.